This 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 321BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 8, air conditioning, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, slideout, microwave, awning, water heater, skylight, LP detector, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 321BH is 7,738 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.